Don't go away. We also have the students' race that's coming up. Seems to be 7 of them. Teva, Jock, William, Jordan, Silingi, Daniel, and Newtosi. Mna ke lo tolu na ke langa he mga hunei ko lo tolu to whanau aonga ko Teva, Jock, William, Jordan, Silingi, mo Daniel. Pia foki ke Newtosi mna ke lo tolu ke langa he ka osi ai e langa waka nei. Ko toko walu to e lo tolu matamat ke nang ko mna ki langa i he tau whanau aonga ko I whene ai ki he kamatanga mai he wafo ko Jordan Hacker pia foki kia Jock Hacker ai loko hai ai ke whaaki ka hoko atu kia Daniel Makaia pia foki kia ko Silingi Tongatuli pia foki kia William Pasisi mo Teva. Kamata tuai e langa halau tolu Makisia tō tahe mawhisi halau tolu he langa hei koa a manakini halau tolu si o mawhisi. Mo atu kia ia linga ko siringa nā koa hau mua. Tu ua ki a Daniel, ana tu foki ki he kia Jock, pia foki kia I whene. Mui mai a Jordan. Kamale male mai ha koa aiki sia mitaki e tau whakaholanga langa halau tolu he maha tolu nei. Kai mohai ka molea whakalate tau akau e to ki sia ko haia ia me hau I mua. Ora na tu foki ki lalo ko nā mamau lahi foki ki lalo o linga ko Daniel la ia mo Silingi ne koa o atu halalunga kia foki kia Teva. He fo mai ki lalo e ki sa kia William Pasisi pia foki kia Jordan ko Jock foki kunai mua ne koa mawhisi lahi kai nono te ki mua kuna tō tahe mawhisi tam whuata kunai mua. And the students' race looks pretty fast from here. We have right in the front there, I think we have Silingi. We also have Daniel. And we have Jock. We have Ethan. It's a pretty funny race because they've divided when they head towards the yachts. Some of the boys have gone way up the top end. And some have decided to come and I guess turn around from the buoys down there closer to the reef end of the race. Tō tahe mawhisi he mga hone ma tamkenanga iki sia mitaki whoki ni ko hai he mga hotunu nei kua amanaki ke veko kai. Tō tahe fulflol hau kua langa ta whao I lunga kai o he fo mai ta whao ke viviko hake I lalo ala se hoko e lau tolu ki he poi ne lata ke viko mai ai kai ona tu kia Jock pia foki kia Ethan whakalate mga tolu ne ko lau I moe ne kua watu ai ke tata ke poi pia foki ni alaua ko Daniel Silingi mo Teva pia foka Jordan mui ato ia he tua alau tolu nā I mua. Mawhisi lai alau tolu he o te mga komalika ko kisia foki ni he te mga honei kua whanene foki alau tolu atau langa.
Agu.
Mai tolo aki?
Ko nito se wat ne mu to.
Ai ma tam dengan nga ko failang matai o ngau ye ki se ko hai ma maula he mate he olu ki se ka ko ila ki kai ma haget ne ko hau ki fakise mai ko lo tolu ne ko viko ke he to ke he poi na ki te hiku ka moi Daniel Makaia tu ua silingi to tole pia foki ni ki New Tosi. Ko liliu mai alo tōra mānei linga tō taha uka langa halo tolu, halo tolu langa waka, sikisia tuki ai. Ora no tuki ai, koe malolo ngai ani ai ne beko whakamua. Si pia ngai ani te tutuanga, kai kisia foki waka lanu, ko haki mai foki ai kai tunga kua alo toi ki waha e maha tunu nei nā kai liu mai toi. Ninga ko yo tewa ia ne haki hifo he. Usi hana matangi whalate haki hifo ki longa ki lalo he lang hana, ai langa hako. At this stage it looks like Daniel Makaia is coming first, then we have Silingi Tongatula, and then we also have New Tosi Tahenga. And I think that's Yotewa coming fourth, but it's unfortunately, and I have to apologize that yes, it is very, very hard to see. I can see canoes going, but I'm trying to figure out which is the what colors they're wearing. But it is a pretty fast race. And so it looks like Daniel with quite a few canoe lengths away from the second place getter, which is I think Silingi. Silingi is coming second. And also New Tose, very close, second and third there. As well a fourth. So the fourth place at the moment looks like Yotewa is holding on to fourth place. But second and third is pretty close. But there's no doubt that Daniel is way in the front. I don't know if they'll be able to catch up with him, but there's a lot of encouragement and support from the wolf there, from I guess their families. We're very close between second and third. We have Willie Cocker, pardon me, Daniel Makaia. That's a cute little name there, Willie Cocker, but Daniel Makaia, he's just blitzed this race out of the water. There's, I think he's taken this race by quite a long way. Quite a long way, but so Daniel has won that race, I think, and the second and third placing, they're very, very close. They're really, really going for it. That's between New Tose Tahenga and Silingi Tongatuli. Excellent race between the two of them. They're close, so close, second place, but Daniel has taken that race for 2010 from the students. I think the horn is going to go off any minute now. Well, it should. Maybe he's forgotten, but Daniel has taken that race. But the second and third is the one to watch out for, because that's really exciting between Silingi and New Tose. But as you can see, Daniel has won by miles. And second and third, I think Silingi is going to take the second placing there. And New Tose, he was at the back, but now he just came, he blitzed to the front, and there he goes. I think he's heading towards the wharf, and let's hope that he straightened up because otherwise New Tase is going to come and take second placing. But there we go. I think second placing went to Selingi and third to New Tase and fourth to Yotewa. We still have quite a few. William is a pretty young competitor, and he's doing really well. And so he's going to take fourth place, and fifth place is coming up right behind him as well. So there's still, I think Ethan died out at the back there, way at the back. He's dropped out. I think he's having a little rest over there. But okay, fourth place to William Pasisi, and fifth place to let me just have a look. Maybe Jock Hacker. And also congratulations to Daniel Makaya, who took that race. Second to Selingi Tongatula, and third to New Tose Tahenga. So there goes the 5 and 6 placing hayama tam kenanga to tahema fala e to kaholanga yama he to fana waunga kai kisia foki fano ngia ta lo toli to linga to o fala tene mumui mai to ko hoko mai e fata muina to tolu ko Ethan siatanga ko ye ne kahiko ki e to langa ka ko ngalo foki ni fal ne langa I foki laliko ai ki sia foki ha ko linga to ko fihani ne liliu mai to ko on siko to ko ne ko to he hala kai haya mata men kenang ko kahiko ya nga kautua Daniel wa ke Selingi sitolo ki a New Tase. And that's it from the students' race. Congratulations to all the students who took part in 2010. We have first place went to Daniel Makaya, second place to Selingi Tongatula, and third place to New Tase Tahenga.